Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to show Wi-Fi password easily in Windows 11 new update. To do this, go into your computer settings. After that, click on Network Internet. Now, tap on the Wi-Fi network that you're connected. Next, select Network Properties. Scroll down and click on the View Wi-Fi Security key. Now you will see your connected Wi-Fi network password. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.